Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel Blooming Asto Relish Life with me. Hi, this is Anurupa and welcome to a whole new episode from the Autumn Season Series 2025. Hey, do you want to know what's in trend for the Western Autumn Makeup Look 2025? This video will reveal the 2025 Fall Makeup Trends. So, this year, the makeup trend for Autumn 2025 bring in the individuality of each person out there with some focal points, polished skin look, a velvety touch, and bold lips with lived-in eyeliner. As the autumn continues, and so does the autumn makeup trend of minimalism or skinimalism makeup trend continues. Skinimalism makeup trend all relates to the lightweight formula for foundation without hiding the little imperfections we all have. See, none of us in this world have flawless skin. Nobody's perfect. Everybody else, including me as well, there are certain little imperfections which is very common, like freckles, a little bit of any other, moles, beauty spots, etc. So without hiding that, how can you get a beautiful skinimalism makeup look this year? I will show you this process step by step. It's a very less product. This makeup trend contains a very less products as well. More details will be provided while you watch the practical application. And now without any further delay, let's get into the main video. Stay tuned. My face is completely cleansed and moisturized as well. Now I'll be starting the makeup. Before that, I'll be applying some normal chilled water. minimalism, the trend of less is more continues, celebrating natural texture, freckles, and imperfections with lightweight foundations and skincare infused complexion products. Satin matte finish, moving away from the extreme glazed donut dewiness. 2025 favors softer, more velvety complexion with subtle targeted sheen. Victorian redness, a romantic rosy blush applied in a triangular shape on the cheeks, extending to the temples to mimic a natural flush from being out in the cold. Lips, deep and bold. Rich deep berry tones like black cherry and mulberry are replacing classic red for a modern feel. Eyes, smoky and grunge, a return of grunge-inspired looks with smudged, lived-in liner and deep, blended shadows and no mascara. Bare lashes are in this autumn trend 2025. Or what's the tip? First, prep your skin always to avoid penetrating the makeup molecules or the foundation or the primer molecules directly into your skin. So what do you need to do before that? First, cleanse, tone, use a serum and moisturize your face. Then opt for the makeup steps. 2. Always use water as a setting spray instead of using any costly store-bought setting sprays. I have used many out there from Faces Canada. One more was there, I don't remember. Maybelline, many other. But I feel this water is the oldest, kind of ritual to set the makeup, and it actually make your skin, cool as well, make the makeup stay longer. Point number 2, choose a foundation which is 3-in-1. Like basically this makeup trend I'm doing is for the day makeup, which continues for the latter half of the evening. It can be called as a everyday makeup as well. What's the 3-in-1 foundation? This is from Faces Canada. All the links will be provided in my description box. The 3-in foundation is, first, it has moisturizer, sunscreen, with SPF 30 minimum, and of course it's a foundation as well. It contains aloe vera and vitamin C. And apply a finishing powder on top of your makeup, base makeup, for a better settlement of your makeup, so that especially apply the setting powder under your eyes to add T-zone and the any other sweat prone areas of yours. You can also apply it all over your face if you're going for any kind of performances. And now it's a wrap up time. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Got any feedback, any questions? Leave them in the comments. Do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for all new notifications for more such delightful videos. Also give a thumbs up and share. And now signing off from Luminga So Relish Life with me. See you all in my next upcoming video from the last episode of the Autumn Season Series 2025. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye-bye.